In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable QuickBooks Online Credit Card and ACH payments. This is a useful feature to manage, especially if you want to avoid offering credit card and ACH payment options on your invoices. By doing so, you can prevent customers from paying online through these methods and avoid the associated processing fees. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to seamlessly guide you through this. First, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. Once there, enter your username and password to access your account. Having access to your QuickBooks Online dashboard is essential for managing your settings and preferences. After you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. Here you'll find the gear icon, which serves as a gateway to all the back-end settings of your account. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open a new menu that includes a range of account management options. It's your quick access point to essential features. In the menu that opens up, select Account and Settings. By clicking here, you're directing yourself to an area where you can make adjustments to various aspects of your QuickBooks account, particularly settings that affect how you manage invoicing and payment processing. Once in the Account and Settings section, look to the left-hand menu and click on Sales. This is where you can manage how sales and related transactions are processed in QuickBooks. The settings in this section will help tailor how you conduct business transactions. Upon opening the sales settings, scroll down until you find the Invoice Payments section. Within the section, there is a pencil icon which indicates the edit option available for this particular area. Click on the pencil icon to edit these settings. This is where you can modify how you wish to handle payments received through QuickBooks invoices. Now in the Invoice Payments section, you will notice options to accept credit card payments and ACH bank transfers. If these options are checked, it means they're currently active, allowing customers to pay their invoices through these methods. To disable them, simply uncheck both the Accept Credit Cards and Accept ACH boxes. This action will restrict these methods from appearing as payment options on your invoices. After making these changes, make sure to hit Save to ensure your updates are recorded in the system. It's a crucial step to apply your changes effectively. And finally, click Done to exit the settings menu. These steps will ensure your changes have been correctly applied. By following these simple steps, you've successfully disabled credit card and ACH payments for your invoices in QuickBooks Online, thereby managing how your clients settle their payments and potentially reducing your transaction fees.